Okay, go. Say your name.
Hi, I'm Jackie.
I'm Chrissy.
Awkward silence.
What do we do? What do we do? Explain something. I don't know what to do something.
Okay. I don't know what's going on. She just said sit down and we're making a show. We got one more cast member.
Dosi.
Dosi. Dosi. D-O-L-C-E. It may sound like Doshi. Dochi. But it's Dolci. 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 I see what you're doing. Dosi. Say hi, Dosi. Wait, she's gonna say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, I grabbed her tongue. Chrissy, I can see you.
How?
Say hi. Okay. Bye.
No, bye. Hi. Hello, instead.
Wait, no. We need time to plan this out.
We're gonna throw a football.
The dog just licked me.
She licked my hand.
Oh.
We're gonna throw a SpongeBob football.
Football.
My
Okay.
SpongeBob.
Okay. You ready, people?
My
You ready, people?
My SpongeBob football I got for Orlando Studio.
Orlando and Universal Studios. And the dog peed on the floor. I don't know if you can see it, but you see the puddle?
Don't say that.
Now I gotta clean it up. Okay, we're gonna throw the football. Point of view. Can you see us up? No. Can you see? Can
Maybe.
you see us? Maybe.
You.
I'll get down. Wait. I think I gotta move over.
Me too. You're supposed to get me too.
Okay, you're not getting shot.
Chrissy.
I wasn't ready. Just balls out of air.
Leave my football alone.
We'll be back later.